They say fasting boosts your human growth hormone, and when you're being hit with a lot of energy weapons and radiation, fasting is a good way to boost your hormone levels that are basically being suppressed by these these Freemason cowards that use energy weapons to basically target grown ass men's genitals to basically keep their genitals from producing more testosterone that they could have because they're jealous. So I think fasting would be a good way to combat this intermittent fasting to boost human growth hormone levels. Um, like I said, I used to do bodybuilding back a few years ago before I became extremely depressed from all this gang stalking. And I used to drink raw eggs, but I had a lot more energy back then because I wasn't being hit with all these weapons. I wasn't being gang stalked and parasited off of. But in your target individual, really, food is not your best friend for a man because sugar suppresses testosterone. It suppresses the libido. So really, you gotta try to start eating more of like a hunter-gatherer type diet where imagine that the reason why you're fasting is your ancestors were gathering or hunting meat, so you fasted until you ate the meat. So try to do it like a fast, as in you're on the hunt, you're hunting, for food, and then you reward yourself with what you know, simulate that pretty much, that primal manhood, instead of just the more you eat, the weaker you become. Especially sugar. It, Food makes you less aggressive. It makes you less manly. Junk food makes you less aggressive and manly. Also, water makes you weak too because it has all that fluoride in it. So really, overhydration makes you weak. That's pretty much it. I'm just gonna try to start eating. Try to put myself in a state of scarcity to create a state where it will cause me to become basically more. Scarcity will create basically a surge of hormones and basically energy that'll give me more power and stuff.